analogy. First question, book is related to cover. In the same way, painting is related to what? Option A, example. Option B, wall. Option C, color. Option D, frame. Okay, look at the question here. Cover is used to protect book. In the same way, in the given option, what will be used to protect painting? So option D, frame is. Frame is used to protect painting. So the right option is option D, frame. Next, second question. Float is related to sink. In the same way, boat is related to what? Option A, ship. Option B, war. Option C, submarine. Option D, missile. So float means above water. Sink means below water, right? In the same way, boat floats on water. So look at the options. So which one is floats under the water? Submarine. Option C, submarine moves under water. So the right option is option C, submarine. Okay. So question, float is related to sink. In the same way, boat is related to submarine. Next, question number 3. Asthma is related to lungs. In the same way, conjunctivitis is related to what? Option A, bones. Option B, teeth. Option C, eyes. Option D, blood. So here, asthma is one kind of disease which is related to lungs. So asthma is a lungs related disease. In the same way, conjunctivitis is also a disease which is related to eyes. So the right answer is option C, eyes. Next question. Thermometer is related to temperature. In the same way, glucometer is related to what? Option A, body sugar. Option B, body resistance. Option C, blood. Option D, blood sugar. Okay. So what is thermometer? Thermometer is an instrument which is used to measure temperature of our body, right? So similarly, glucometer is also an instrument which is used to measure blood sugar. So the right answer is option D, blood sugar. Okay. So fourth question, thermometer is related to temperature. In the same way, glucometer is related to blood sugar. Next question. Question number 5. 6 is related to 36. In the same way, 9 is related to what? Option A, 81. Option B, 98. Option C, 42. Option D, 56. Okay, here 6 square. 6 square is equal to 36, which is 6 into 6 is equal to 36. In the same way, 9 square, that is 9 into 9. 9 nines are 81. So the right answer is option A, 81. 6 is related to 36. In the same way, 9 is related to 81. Next question. Sixth one. Parrot is related to cage. In the same way, man is related to what? Okay, so parrot is a bird which is captured in cage, right? So in the same way, man is captured in prison. So look at the options: home, life, house, prison. Here you should not choose home and house because man were arrested by prison. So option D is the right answer. So clear? Parrot is related to cage in the same way man is related to prison. Next question number 7. Dog is related to bath. Dog is related to bath. In the same way, goat is related to what? Option A, grunt. Option B, bray. Option C, howl. Option D, blade. So here the relation is bark is a sound of dog. Okay, bark is a sound of dog. So we have to find what is the sound of goat. So first of all, grunt. Grunt is a sound of pig. Sound of pig. Next, bray. Bray is a sound of donkey. Bray is a sound of donkey. Next, howl. Howl is a sound of fox, wolves, etc. Okay? Howl is a sound of fox, wolves, etc. So, bleat. Bleat is a sound of goat. So our question is, dog is related to bark. In the same way, goat is related to what? So the answer is bleat. Goat is related to bleat. Question number 8. Laugh is related to joy. In the same way, weep is related to what? Option A, grief. Option B, remorse. Option C, baby. Option D, punishment. Okay, first we have to understand in what relation they are given. Okay, laugh is related to joy. Laugh, joy. Here, laugh is symbol of joy, right? Laugh is a symbol of joy. If we laugh means we are in joy. Similarly, weep. So, here, what is the symbol of weep? Weep is the symbol of grief. Look at here, grief. Weep is a symbol of grief. Answer is option A, grief. Here you should not choose remorse as a answer because remorse is a feeling of weep, right? So remorse is a feeling of sadness. Here what we have to relate means symbol. Laugh is a symbol of joy. In the same way, weep is a symbol of grief. Question number 9. Rupee is related to India. In the same way, yen is related to what? Option A, Turkey. Option B, Bangladesh. Option C, Japan. Option D, Pakistan. Okay, here, rupee is the currency name of India. In the same way, yen is the currency name of which country? So, first of all, the currency name of Turkey is Turkish lira. Turkish lira. Currency name of Turkey is Turkish lira. Then, currency name of Bangladesh is Bangladeshi taka. Bangladeshi Taka. The currency name of Bangladesh is Bangladeshi Taka. And currency name of Japan, Yen. Currency name of Pakistan is Pakistani Rupee. Pakistani Rupee. Here we have to find what is the currency. Yen is related to which country? So yen is related to Japan. So the right answer is option C, Japan. Rupee is related to India. In the same way, yen is related to Japan. Next question number 10. Aeroplane is related to cockpit. In the same way, train is related to what? Option A, coach. Option B, wagon. Option C, engine. Option D, compartment. So, in this question, aeroplane. The pilot of aeroplane sits in cockpit. The pilot of aeroplane sits in cockpit. In the same way, the driver of train works at engine. So the right answer is option C, engine. Option C, engine is the right answer. Aeroplane is related to cockpit. In the same way, train is related to engine. Next question number 11. Trouble is related to safety. In the same way, freedom is related to what? So, trouble is an antonym of safety, right? Trouble is an antonym of safety. Here, relation is antonym. So, the antonym of freedom is independence. So, what is the antonym of freedom? Independence. Option A, independence, is the right answer. So, the question, trouble is related to safety. In the same way, freedom is related to independence. Next question. Question number 12. Bee is related to honey. In the same way, cow is related to what? Option A, animal. Option B, water. Option C, grass. Option D, milk. So here, bee gives us honey. In the same way, cow gives us milk. So the right answer is option D, milk. So 12th question, bee related to honey. In the same way, cow is related to milk. Question number 13. ABC is related to ZYX. In the same way, CBA is related to what? Option A, XYZ. Option B, BCA. Option C, YZX. Option D, ZXY. So look at the question here. CBA. CBA is reverse of ABC, right? CBA is reverse of ABC. ABC, CBA. In the same way, what is the reverse letters of ZYX? So ZYX, so the reverse letter is X, Y, Z. So the right answer is option A, X, Y, Z. Therefore, ABC is related to ZYX. In the same way, CBA is related to XYZ. Next question. JLN is related to SQO. In the same way, PRT is related to what? Option A, UYW. Option B, UTV. Option C, YWU. Option D, VUT. So look at the question. in the first term, one letter is missing between two consecutive letters in alphabetical order, right? Here, J in between J and L, K, J, K, L, right? So, there is one letter missing between two consecutive letters J and L. Next, look at the second term, S, Q. In second term, same is repeater, but it is reverse order, right? Look at the question, Q, or, and then S. So in between S and Q, there is one letter or, but this is reverse order, right? Q or S. Similarly, P, Q, R. So between these two letters, Q is missing. Now we want to find which one is correct answer, right? So look at the first option, U, Y. U, Y is not in reverse order because our second term is reversed order, right? So similarly, our fourth term also must be in reversed order. So first two letters are not in reverse order. So we skip this option. Next, look at the B option, U, T. So it is in reverse order, but in between T and U, there is any letter? No. So we skip B option also. Next, look at C option. So Y, W is in reverse order. So in between Y and W, how many letters are there? X. Only one letter, W, X, Y. So which is similar to our second term. So the right answer is option C. Option C is right answer. So question is, JLN is related to SQO. In the same way, PRT is related to what? So the right answer is YWU. Next, question number 15. 1 by 4 is related to 1 by 8. In the same way, 1 by 3 is related to what? Option A 1 by 7, option B 1 by 4, option C 1 by 6, option D 1 by 2. First we have to find what relation between first term and the second term. 1 by 4, 1 by 8. Okay. So 1 by 4 into 1 by 2. That is 1 by 2 of 1 by 4, which is equal to 1 by 8, right? So in similarly, 1 by 3, which is multiplied by 1 by 2, we get 1 by 1 into 1, 1, 2 3s are 6. 1 by 6. So right answer is option C, 1 by 6. 1 by 4 is related to 1 by 8. In the same way, 1 by 3 is related to 1 by 6. Question number 16. 9 is related to 25. In the same way, 49 is related to option A 63, option B 81, option C 36, option D 100. So in this question, first we have to find the relation between these two. So look at here. 3 square is 9. And next to odd number 5. 5 square is 25, right? Similarly, 49 is a square number of 7. 7 square is equal to 49. So what is the next to odd number? After 7, 9. 9 square is equal to 81. So the right answer is option B, 81. Okay? So 9 is related to 25. In the same way, 49 is related to 81. Next question number 17. Country is related to president. In the same way, state is related to what? Option A, chief minister. Option B, prime minister. Option C, speaker. Option D, governor. Okay. So what is the relation between country and president? President is the higher official of country, right? In the same way, who is higher official of state? Governor. Governor is the higher official of state. So the right answer is option D, governor. Question number 18. 24 is related to 60. In the same way, 120 is related to what? Option A 160, option B 220, option C 300, option D 108. So look at the first term 24 and look at the third term 120. So 24 into 5, which is equal to 120, right? So similarly, 60 is related to, that is second term is related to fourth term, 60 into 5, which is equal to 6 5s are 30, here 1 0, so I put 0. 60 into 5 is 300. So the right answer is option C, 300. Next question number 19. 123 is related to 36. In the same way, 221 is related to what? Okay. So 123. So we can write 123 as 1 plus 2 plus 3. So 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. What is 6 square? 36. Similarly, here 2 plus 2 plus 1. So I consider third term as 2 plus 2 plus 1, which is equal to 5. So now we want to find the square number. What is 5 square? 25. So the right answer is option D, 25. Next question number 20. 12 is related to 35. In the same way, 16 is related to what? Option A 32, option B 48, option C 49, option D 63. Okay, so now we consider first two terms 12 and 35. Listen, first I consider 12. What is 12 by 2? 1 times, 6 times, 6. So 6 square is equal to 36 and 36 minus 1, which is equal to 35. So in this relation, we relate 12 is related to 35. So similarly, we consider third term 16, which is divided by 2, 1 times, 8 times, 8. So what is 8 square? 8 square is equal to 64. We subtract 1 from 64, we get 63. So the right answer is option D, 63. We'll join you with more questions in next video. Thank you.